Hey everybody, how you doing? Short video today. As you can see behind me, there's some color on the walls, and this color is extremely close to my World War II Jeep. So remember when I told you about the ceiling fan and what I planned on doing with that? I got a better idea. Check this out. So as you can see here, we've got the OD paint. And this is how it looks with the texture pattern that I put on the wall. I've got, I have a coat of primer on the wall, then texture. I've got another coat of primer, and then 2 coats of Bare Premium satin finish paint. All right, check out the big partial reveal. Now look at that ceiling fan. P40 Warhawk, folks. I saw this, I couldn't resist. Oh, is that the coolest thing you ever seen? Check out the nose. So, I am stoked. Like I've been dying, man, for weeks to get this thing up in the air, just so I could show everybody. And it's gonna be cool. Anyways, now the fan is controlled over here by the switch, right hand side here, and we'll just let the blades come to a stop. So it is a 3 propeller deal, and real nice decals on it. This is the company that makes it, in case you guys are wanting one. Craft-made warplanes. Just Google, Google fighter aircraft ceiling fan or whatever. But yeah, this is so neat. That's a decal on there. It's not a real screen. Very, very easy to put up. Even got a little tiger spray pattern on it. Well, they call it a tiger shark, but I'm gonna pretend it's a Warhawk. I'm just saying. So as you can see, the room is done. The walls are pretty much done and painted now. I decided I was gonna do the ceiling in OD as well, because I wanted it to feel like I was inside of a GP medium or a GP large. And I have to check around with some friends of mine to see if they have any old school, tent stakes. I'm talking about the big ones that are octagon shaped with the metal pin on the top that I could place in the corners of the room to sort of simulate holding up a tent. You know what I mean? Heck, we might even get one that could fashion right up in that corner right there. Who knows? But sort of give that that tent feel. And there was somebody that was following us that made that suggestion. Actually, what he suggested is trying to find a way. Another close up of the texture. Man, that looks so freaking awesome. I don't care who you are. But he suggested, maybe there's a way you could paint stitches, and make it look like that you have canvas stitching and seams in certain portions of the wall. And that's kind of a great idea. So, yeah, I still have a problem with, and you can see it pretty clearly here, right there. I still have not resolved my problem with the flexing of the wall. So I'm gonna have to do something behind there, throw some screws, patch and mud and paint, but I had to get busy. Anyways, I just wanted to show you the fan. I thought maybe you get a kick out of that and like it. They have one that sort of looks like it's a sad attempt at a P-51 Mustang. They also have an F4U Corsair and a Sopwith Camel. The F4U is really cool. It only has 2 blades on it. It's blue, obviously, with a round cowl and everything. But, yeah. Here, let me turn that on again. So, as you can see, we're getting ready for battle up here, my friends. And, man, I can't stop staring at this freaking fan. Look at that. Have a good night. we'll keep you posted. Well, hey, since we're at it, let me turn the camera on again. But Mike, what's next? Clearing all this garbage out of here. Emptying that room out. Okay, cleaning and mopping the floor. Sliding the couch over here. Taking all of those pre-made multicolored wood hard strips, and we're gonna do that entire wall with those strips. All right? And then once this is all cleaned out and we baseboard it in, I'm probably just gonna do carpet tiles because they're cheap, they're industrial, and they'll be good to go. I also picked up a door today that's gonna fit right here. We'll get that installed. And if you notice, I painted my outlets to match the walls, so the covers will also be painted. Kind of got a camouflage thing going on over here. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm really happy I got this done. Oh, did you want to see this again? The thing even has eyeballs. And check out the exhaust manifolds. I should almost paint those so they're a little bit rusty looking. Cool stuff. All right, have a good night. Thanks for watching.